Our team, Parampara, consists of myself, Milind, Kamat, Kaashvi M, SV Sahana, and Raghav Ranganath from PSBB Learning Leadership Academy, Bangalore. Our team, Parampara, consists of four passionate commerce students from PSBB LLA, Bangalore. As aspiring entrepreneurs, we're eager to seize opportunities and share India's rich art and heritage with the world. Driven by innovation and tradition, we're ready to make our mark globally, starting with Youth Ideathon.
In today's generation, many people don't know about India's rituals, culture, festivals, etc., but they just know a little about it or none. It's essential to educate and engage the younger generation about India's rich art and culture to preserve and promote it.
To bridge the gap between younger generations and India's rich heritage, our subscription box VIRÄSAT offers a hands-on experience. It includes traditional art forms, exciting quizzes, necessary materials, and a story behind this craft. It allows students to explore and appreciate our cultural legacy, making it fun and accessible.
We designed the various aspects of our innovation, mainly the logo, the box, which includes the kits, the description, which also includes the QR code for our enriching video about the product. These designs will help build the prototype.
We have selected a subscription model where for rupees 1000 we will be providing 3 boxes for 3 months. The boxes will include Box 1 will contain Madhubani art form, where in Kit 1 the Madhubani painting will be given, and Kit 2 the painting kit with paper. Box 2 will have Kalamkari art form, wherein the Kit 1 will have the Kalamkari cloth, and Kit 2 will have the painting kit with the cloth. Box 3 will have Worli art. In Kit 1 for the Box 3, the Worli art will be provided, and in Kit 2 the painting kit with the paper. If you like our innovation, please like and share. Thank you.